viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hi everyone, welcome back to another 10 poems of Where the Sidewalk Ends by Shel Silverstein. Today we left off on The Loser. Mama said I'd lose my head if it wasn't fastened on. Today I guess it wasn't, because while playing with my cousin it fell off and rolled away. And now it's gone. I can't look for it because my eyes are in it. And I can't call to it because my mouth is on it. I couldn't hear me anyway because my ears are on it. I can't think about it because my brain is in it. So I guess I'll sit on this rock and just rest for a minute. Joey took a stone and knocked it down the sun. And whoosh, it whizzled down so hard and bloom. It bounced into his backyard and glunk, it landed on his toe. And the world was dark, and the corn wouldn't grow, and the wind wouldn't blow, and the cock wouldn't crow, and it was always night, night, night. All because of a stone and Joe. Listen to the mustants. Listen to the mustants, child. Listen to the don'ts. Listen to the shouldn'ts and the impossibles. The won'ts. Listen to the never haves. Then listen close to me. Anything can happen, child. Anything can be. Jimmy Jet and his TV set. I'll tell you the story of Jimmy Jet, and you know what I tell you is true. He loved to watch his TV set almost as much as you. He watched all day, he watched all night, till he grew pale and learned from the early show to the late show, and all the shows above. He watched till his eyes were frozen wide, and his bottom grew into his chair, and his chin turned into a tuning dial, and his antennae grew out of his hair, and his brains turned into TV tubes, and his face to a TV screen, and two knobs saying vert and hors grew where his ears had been, and he grew a plug that looked like a tail. So now instead of watching TV, we sit around and watch him. Early bird. Oh, if you're a bird, be an early bird. If you catch the worm for your breakfast plate, but if you're a bird, be an early bird. But if you're a worm, sleep late. Sky seasoning. A piece of sky broke off and fell through crack in the ceiling, right through my soup. Kerploop, kerplop. I really must state that I usually hate lentil soup, but I ate every drop. Delicious, delicious, like a bit like plaster, but so good, goodness sake. I could have eaten a lentil soup lake, but it's amazing the difference a bit of sky can make. The farmer and the queen. I didn't count. Hold on, I'll go check. So we're on the 7th right now. Okay, the farmer and the queen. She's coming, the farmer said to the owl. Oh, what shall I do? Shall I bow when she comes? Shall I twiddle my thumbs? The owl asked. Who? The royal queen. She'll pass the farm today. Shall I salute? Asked the horse. The horse said nay. Asked the horse. Shall I give her a gift? Said the wren. A lovely memento for her to keep, an egg or a peach or an ear of corn? The wren said, cheap. But should I curtsy or should I cheer? Oh, there's her carriage now. Oh, here's her carriage now. What should I do? He asked the dog. The dog said, bow. And so he did, and so she passed. Oh, tra-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la. She smiled, she did, but she told the sheep. The sheep said, bah. Pancake? Okay, now we're on the 8th. Who wants a pancake, sweet and piping hot? Good like little Grace looks up and says, I'll take one on top. Who else wants a pancake fresh off the griddle? Terrible Theresa smiles and says, I'll take the one in the middle. Smart. My dad gave me $1 bill 'cause I'm his smartest son. And I swapped it for 2 shiny quarters 'cause 2 is more than 1. I remember this. Then he took the quarters and he traded them to Lou for 3 dimes. I guess he don't know that 3 is more than 2. Just then came old blind bait. And just 'cause he can't see, he gave me 4 nickels for my 3 dimes. And 4 is more than 3. I took the nickels to Hiram Coombs down at the seed feed store, and the fool gave me 5 pennies for them, and 5's more than 4. And I went down and showed my dad, and he got red in the cheeks and closer to his eyes and shook his head, too proud of me to speak. Us, me and him and me were always together, as you can see. I wish he could leave so I'd be free. I'm getting a little bit tired of and he may be a bit bored with me. On movies and ladies we cannot agree. I like to dance, he loves to ski. He likes the mountains, I love the sea. I like hot chocolate, he wants his tea. I want to sleep, he has to pee. He's a meaner and a duller and fatter than me. But I guess there's worse things we could be. Instead of 2, we could be 3. Me and him and me. I'm making a list. I'm making a list of all the things I must say and for politeness and goodness. Okay, we're on the 9th currently. Make that the 10th actually. I'm making a list of the things I must say for politeness and goodness and kindness and gentleness, sweetness and rightness. Hello, pardon me, how are you? Excuse you, me, bless you, may I, thank you, goodbye. If you know some that I've forgot, please stick them in your eye. Okay, so that's all of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!